Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to quickly and easily block someone on Discord on your PC with the newest update. Whether it's for your peace of mind, reducing distractions, or simply creating a more positive online space, blocking someone is a useful feature to know. The process is fast and straightforward, and I'll guide you step by step. First, begin by opening Discord on your PC. Once Discord is ready, go to the section where you can see the person you'd like to block. This could be through your direct messages if you've been chatting directly with them, or inside a server where both of you are members. Make sure you can see their username in either place. Next, hover your mouse over their username and right-click it. This will bring up a menu with several options. Take a moment to glance through the list, and you'll notice one option that says Block. This is the feature you need. Now, click on Block. Depending on your settings, Discord may ask you to confirm this action. If a confirmation box appears, simply select Yes or Confirm, and the block will be applied immediately. From this point on, that person won't be able to send you direct messages, and their messages in shared servers will appear hidden by default. Blocking is completely private, so the other person won't receive a notification that you've blocked them. Instead, the changes just quietly take place to ensure your Discord experience is the way you want it. You can also unblock the person later if you change your mind by right-clicking their name again and choosing the unblock option. And that's it. By following these steps, opening Discord, finding the username, right-clicking, selecting block, and confirming, you'll have full control over who can contact you. It's a simple yet powerful tool to help you focus on the conversations and communities that matter most to you. Thank you for watching.